Your profile is where all the information about you is stored. You can access it through using the top right hand menu, Profile View, or alternatively by finding icons around the site. You can click on those icons and it will take you to someone else's profile. If you ever want to get back to your profile, however, I'd suggest using the quick link Profile View. In the profile screen, the very first one, it's well worth checking out the information to make sure it's accurate, making sure that you've got your email address correct and any other essential information. Once you've done that, you can add a profile photograph, which is this little icon here, and you can also change your cover image, which is the banner behind the icon here. Once you've done that, I would suggest heading over to Profile Visibility, so that you can, which is in the Settings menu, so that you can easily make sure your privacy settings are to your liking. So I'm now in Profile Visibility from the Settings menu, and you can see here that I'm allowing everyone to see everything on my base profile. If you don't wish to be contacted by other people on the site, I would suggest you use the drop down to the right hand side to either restrict only to you, which is completely private, to all members of the site, or just to friends that you've accessed through the site. Next, look at Profile Privacy, which dictates whether you appear in the members directory, whether you're in member search engines, whether you're allowing people to send you friend requests, and also if you would like to hide your last active time. You can see here that I've also set who can see my profile to only me. It's private. I'm just going to change this to everyone. And then back again to private, so you can see how easy it is. Email notifications are also something that's worth setting up. I've just clicked the email button here, and you can see that there are lots of different activities, messages, friends and group messages, which I've said that I'm okay to receive by email. If you're not happy with the amount of emails you're getting from the site, just come into this area here and select No to the respective activity. Notifications are pieces of information that get sent to you through the site, and they'll appear in your notifications box here. You can see at the moment I've got none that are unread. They'll also appear in the top right hand corner as a notification. Once you've read them, they go into the read box. If you haven't read them, they're in the unread box. And you can also delete old messages or old requests as well. The main difference between messages and notifications is that notifications tend to be site-wide or system-based information, and messages tend to be user-generated content. So for example, a message is a little bit like a site email between two users, whereas a notification will be triggered if I complete an activity on the site and will be sent to me by the system. Friendships are important when it comes to sharing information. At the moment, I've got a friendship with Martin Knowles on my friendship list, and I'm logged in as the Virtual Academy user. If I want to create more friendships, I can go to either the groups that I'm part of, or chat rooms or forums that I'm part of, and select the icon next to the individual, or there'll also be a send message or request friendship button. If you do that, the other person has the chance to accept or reject your friendship request, which is why there's a request box just to the right here, which says if I've got any pending friendship requests. At the moment you can see I haven't got any. As well as building your contact database, friendships provide a way to share information with other people about you. So for example, by setting your privacy settings that we spoke about earlier to friends only, then only people in your friendship circles will be able to see them. Another example is if you're a group administrator for a particular subject, you're only permitted to invite friends to the groups that you're an administrator of. The forum screen provides a way to capture all the forums which you're party to, so that you've got an easy, quick reference, quick link to the forums that you've requested interest. You can also get to forums using the title bar at the top, but this is really the forums that you've actively got involved in. You can look at replies created, any favourites and any subscriptions here as well, and amend the settings as appropriate. Your Profile Courses menu provides a really handy quick reference to all the courses which you're assigned to. This could be useful if, for example, you want to find a course that you did some time ago, or maybe review some of the content from one of the other courses quickly and easily through a quick link menu. Photos and albums can also be added through your profile menu. Now, this could be something that is of interest to you in a particular subject on the site, or it could be something social as well. And lastly, on the left hand side here, we've got the wall. Now the wall is a bit like the wall on other social media platforms where you can post updates or generate interest in something that you're working on at the time. You can even post pictures. These can be visible to everyone, logged in users, only you, or just friends, which again builds the importance of the friendship list that you have if you're just going to limit content to your friends. We'll also be introducing other features throughout the evolution of the site which will enable you to post other things to the site, and as you grow in experience and expertise, you'll be able to add posts in your favourite subjects which other people can comment on. You can see that there's quite a lot to get used to here. There's quite a lot of settings to explore, so we recommend spending a few minutes just going through and getting used to it. Once you start contributing to the site and accessing content and completing content, these menus become more and more useful, as will the groups menu, so that you can begin to build relationships with subject matter experts and key opinion leaders in areas of focus for you.